Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.1, Problem 19. This is Section 3.1, Problem 19. It says write the decimal as a fraction, and our decimal for this problem is 1.86. So there's a four-step process to convert 1.86 into a fraction. Step 1, write the numbers that come after the decimal in the numerator of a fraction. So after the decimal is 86, you put 86 in the numerator of a fraction. And of course, this 1 in front of the decimal can be brought down in front of our fraction. Step 2, put a 0 under each digit that's in the numerator. I have 2 digits in the numerator, my 8 and my 6, so I put 2 zeros in the denominator. Step 3, put a 1 in front of the bottom zeros. There's a 1. So I have 1 and 86 1/100ths. Step 4, reduce if the fraction is reducible. Some fractions you just can't reduce. This one I can see I can reduce it. The 86 and the 100 are both even numbers, so I can at least cut them in half, or in other words, divide 2 into both evenly. So half of 86 is 43, half of 100 is 50, and now I have to ask myself, can I reduce that further? Are there any numbers that will divide into 43 and 50 evenly? No, there are not. So that's as far as it can be reduced. My final answer is 1 and 43 over 50. That's the fraction that's equivalent to 1.86.